I'm just excited about meeting people, answering questions, speaking with people, just having some communications about anything that comes to mind. Like, this is a free open air, event. Like, people can ask us about anything today. So, Ms. Corey Mills, I'm a lieutenant with the Ann Arbor Police Department, and I am in charge of basically the community engagement unit and a problem impact team. Kind of right up the alley of what we're doing here today with the open house, collaborating with the fire department. And our community engagement unit, we really like to get out into the community and educate people in the city and the community as to the how, what's, and whys we do what we do as a police department. So this is just another great opportunity for us to get out, for families to come out, kids to take a look at the pieces of equipment that we have and ask any questions, and for parents to ask questions as well. So it's a good time.
The biggest takeaway is just to know what to do in the event of an emergency, right? And from our Office of Emergency Management, we focus not only just on fires, but we also think about severe weather. So knowing a little bit about how to receive notifications or alerts when there's some sort of emergency happening in the city, whether that be a tornado warning, so being familiar with your outdoor warning sirens, right, your closest one and what it means when those go off and where to go in your home, right, so the lowest interior part of your home. Signing up for our emergency alerts so you can receive that information via text, email, or phone call. Highly encourage that, and we can get some information out on that. Just having the conversation with your family of what to do when we're talking about severe weather, a fire. Those are kind of our big ones. When the power goes out in your home, we've all been dealing with that recently. So just the importance of having that conversation with your family and having a plan.
When we talk about resilience, we're thinking at the household level, the neighborhood level, and beyond. And what we're trying to encourage people today is think about those, not just family members, but those that they would live with, and essentially the household, to prepare for unexpected events and emergencies that may come up on a sunny day or on a rainy day, to be prepared for both.
Oh, it's going good. We are enjoying ourselves. Here with our daughter's Girl Scout troop to see the fire trucks and the ambulance and everything, and just to see what they had to offer. I think my favorite part was them putting out the fire. Yeah, letting the kids put out the fire.
So as the police department in general, especially the community engagement unit, we like to be very transparent in what we do. We have, it's from the top down. We have great leadership in the department, and we like to get out into the community like we're doing today and show a different side to the police work, aside from what people usually see on TV or social media. Like, this is a great environment for people and families to come out and share an experience with them.